Hey guys, today we're looking at a 2014 Harley Davidson Softail Breakout. These bikes are beautiful. Great little bar hopper. This one has a beautiful paint job going all the way from the front fender through the gas tank all the way back onto the rear fender. We also have the quick release system on here with a sissy bar. Really comfortable seat. This has the 103 cubic inch engine. The pegs and shifter have all been upgraded. This bike also does have ABS, front and rear. And of course we have the Vans & Hines. Come check it out. We are open 6 days a week for test rides.